So hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Mannat.
Okay, hi Manat. So how was your exam?
It was, I would not say it was exceptionally good. It was above average, I would say. Most of the concepts were you wouldn't accept them to come. Like they were some twisted and turned questions. Rather than that, it was a pretty decent questionnaire.
Okay, so pattern was repeated or
Some patterns were repetitive, like what we are used to be taught at the centers and all that. It was not like that. In fact, it was nothing like that. But yeah, it was not repetitive. It was like a new series, a new various of questions.
okay, so कौन से section को आप सबसे ज़्यादा difficult rate करना चाहोगे?
I would say English because I didn't expect कि English इतना tough आएगा इस बार. So yeah, English.
Okay, so thank you.
Thank you.
Set. So hi, what's your name?
मैम ध्रुव
ध्रुव, कैसा गया आपका एग्जाम?
मैम इट वाज ओके क्योंकि पहला अटेम्प्ट था.
ओके.
आई एम टू अर्ली फॉर 2026. तो ठीक था, मतलब होएगा तो ठीक है, नहीं होएगा तो ठीक है, बट इस बार नहीं होएगा. बेसिकली मैं तो यही सोच कर चल रहा हूँ,
ओके.
और हो भी जाएगा तो लूँगा नहीं क्योंकि टीयर 2 अराउंड मिलेगा तो.
ओके. सो कैसा लग रहा है? डिफिकल्ट था पेपर बहुत ज़्यादा?
डिफ़िकल्ट बहुत था, तैयारी बहुत चाहिए अभी तो बहुत कम तैयारी थी और तैयारी चाहिए क्योंकि लेंदी बहुत था पेपर. और LRDI तो और भी ज़्यादा मुश्किल लगी मेरे को. मैंने सोचा था निकल जाएगा, उसमें मैं अटेम्प्ट कर लूँगा ज़्यादा, बट बिल्कुल नहीं हो पाया. एक्सपेक्टेशन से बहुत ऊपर आ रखा था पेपर.
ओके, सो ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर सेकंड अटेम्प्ट.
थैंक यू मैम.
सो हाय, व्हाट्स योर नेम?
My name is Sahar Singh Rawat.
ओके, सो हाउ वाज योर एग्जाम?
It was good. English was on easier side. LRDI was difficult. 2 sets were medium, which can be done, but 3 sets were very bit lengthy, I think so. And quants were on lengthier side.
ओके, सो आप क्या कट ऑफ एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो?
I think it will be between 23 and 24 year paper cutoff. 99 for 99.
ओके, सो मतलब क्या आपका ये फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट था?
Yeah. Yes. This was my first attempt.
ओके, थैंक यू. सो हाय, व्हाट्स योर नेम?
Vaibhav,
कैसा था आपका एग्जाम वैभव?
I would say not so good.
ओके. डिफिकल्ट था पेपर बहुत ज़्यादा?
I would say cons was difficult, and also in DILR, if you choose the right section, it was easy. But if you choose the wrong one, it's very bad. Like if you choose the wrong one.
सो लास्ट ईयर के कंपैरिजन में पैटर्न कैसा था इस बार?
So I would say it was harder. The cons was definitely harder than last year's, and I attempted all the previous years, and to me this was like very hard. Cons was very hard. For VRC, I think it was the easiest, very easy. And DILR, I would say it's your luck. If you choose the right section, you would be able to clear it. LR was easier. DI was difficult.
सो आप कितना स्कोर कर रहे हो?
I wouldn't expect much, to be honest. I think I would score around above 60. I would say above 60.
सो ये आपका फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट था?
Yeah, first attempt.
ओके, सो ऑल द बेस्ट.